Many people flew from far and wide. We have the Anambra State governor here. We have the Labour Party presidential candidate and the former governor of Anambra State in the person of Mr. Peter Obi. And we saw Cardinal, the older one, the Cardinal Arinze, and so many others. How do you feel having so much love? How do you feel? How do you feel today?
I feel very much delighted, very happy to have seen my brothers and sisters from different parts of the world, especially those that came from the home front, to show solidarity, to join me in thanking God and accepting the responsibility given to me as a cardinal in the Catholic Church. So I feel so much delighted.
So now that you become a cardinal, would that, for many that do not understand the Catholic doctrine, would that mean you'll be more at home or you'll be more in Rome?
Well, the assignment of cardinals in the Catholic Church is principally to assist the Holy Father, the Pope, in the governance of the Universal Church. It is the Pope that decides where one lives in order to execute this responsibility. In the Catholic Church, some cardinals live in their dioceses, some work in the curia, now what we call the dicasteries of the Holy See, depending on the decision of the Holy Father. If he decides that I live in my diocese of Ekulobia, and then from there shuttling up to Rome to undertake further responsibilities for the Universal Church, I'm open to that. So the whole decision belongs to the Holy Father to take.
Okay, thank you. So I did hear there will be another celebration that's going to be happening somewhat next week. Would you throw more light on that? Why, I thought the whole the whole event happened today. There appears to be another one planned again.
What we had today, earlier today, was what we call creation of cardinals. That is the official inauguration of those of us newly nominated into the College of Cardinals. Then from Monday, we enter into consistory proper, meeting with the Holy Father and the other cardinals. We have already got the horario, the timetable, the agenda. We have a lot of matters to discuss with the Holy Father. Then, at the end, on the 30th evening, there will be Holy Mass, Mass of Thanksgiving, to mark the conclusion of the meeting of the Holy Father with the cardinals. Then down there in Nigeria, in the Diocese of Ekulobia, on the 8th of September, we have scheduled to have Thanksgiving Mass, sort of celebration with those at home. Many wanted to be here, but for one reason or the other could not be here. So the local celebration in Nigeria will be on the 8th of September. There we expect all the bishops, as many as possible, the faithful in Nigeria, to be part of that celebration. So the celebration continues. But not just celebration. Coming together is also a sign of solidarity with me and the church. You can see in our midst, some are not Catholics. I'm sure even some non-Christians attended the ceremony. It's a sign of love, manifestation of unity, common purpose for the good of humanity and our service of God.
That's very good to know that this event is still being planned for those at home. Now, if we, to close this, over the years, there was a time, in this journey that, there was some kind of upheaval and uproar when you were then appointed. I think the Bishop of Mbisi, was it Mbisi? Ahiara Diocese. Looking back now, what will be your message, especially using that as a point of contact to conflict management and having a vision to go ahead?
Well, it is true that we are all children of God, but remember, we are sons of Adam and Eve. Conflict, sin, has been with us. Misunderstandings, even among brothers and sisters, still exist. So whatever happened in the past, I consider as part of the human frailty, human weakness, misunderstanding that can come from time to time. Considering the diocese you mentioned, that's my beloved diocese of Ahiara. The diocese is very dear to me because that's where I started. And even all these celebrations we are having today, they are part of it. Maybe God gave me the diocese of Ahiara in preparation for further assignments. So when I look back, I thank God. I thank the people of Ahiara. And I look the other side, I thank my people, the people of Amois, the people of Anambra State. In fact, the Universal Church, for standing suddenly behind me in prayers and support, solidarity in different dimensions. So it's just Thanksgiving back, Thanksgiving front.
It is indeed, now you mentioned that, Miss, it is indeed very well to note, I must say, that the intimidation, on a lighter note, of the regalia won by many indigenes of Amason, as many of them are here. Is that, what's your take?
Well, the regalia was available to all who was ready to pick one piece or the other in order to be here. It was produced, even to be frank. Till today, I don't know the person who produced this particular regalia. God moved the person who decided to prepare it. I just gave my fiat when I got the phone call that this was being prepared. And the person decided to prepare it, whatever resources that come from there, to support the Diocese of Ekulobia. So, but my dear beloved people of Amois capitalized on that and made sure that as many as who are available reach them at Amois. But if you look around, you can see some other people who are not from Amois still wearing it. So,
thank you very much, His Eminence.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
God bless you.
Thank you very much for having us.
Well done.
Thank you.
Keep doing well. God bless you.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.